Hey y'all, it's Lizzie416 aka Fab L. So it's my first video for you guys. It is a food tutorial. You guys can go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well as my couple's channel. You guys can find that below, and they're my tags for my socials, Insta and Twitter. Alright, let's get to it. Hey yo, what's this? Lots of you guys are asking what this was when I posted it. I'm gonna go ahead and go into it. It is whipped iced coffee. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the ingredients that you guys are gonna need. This shit tastes bomb, first of all. So I went ahead and got some French vanilla coffee, you know, because French vanilla be booming. You gotta go ahead and grab your French vanilla coffee, some half and half cream, or some homo milk. Literally both any work, but I do like the cream. You guys have my blender here as well as some sugar, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget your kettle and a bowl and a glass. Can't forget those things.
lmaooo produced it.
Alright, so you guys grab your bowl, your coffee, and your sugar. So we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of coffee as well as 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, scoop. Got a little smell test there. It smells amazing. As I said, it is French vanilla flavor. You guys can use any flavor instant coffee you want, okay?
lmaooo produced it.
Alright, now we're gonna go in with our sugar. Yes, it is the same sugar that was in the bag, but y'all know black people, we gotta transfer it into something else. But it's the same plain sugar. I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons, stir it up a little bit. I realized that, then I realized, oh shoot, I need a little bit more sugar. Went in with a little bit more. So yeah. Alright, so I just stirred it up to see the ratio between the coffee and sugar. You see the little bit of sugar at the top mixed in with the coffee, got a great ratio. Then you go in with the 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. Yes, boiling water, obviously. Give that a stir. Alright, in all honesty, the first whipped coffee I made, I did whip it by hand for like a good 8 minutes. But then I realized I can totally use a hand mixer, so I just went ahead and did that. So I cheated just a little bit. But some people might not have a hand mixer. You guys can whip it by hand. You are going to be consistently whipping with a spoon for 8 minutes. And you guys will see the consistency throughout the video change as well as the colors. So you can either do the 8 minutes by hand or the 3 minutes by blender hand mixer. Same diff.
lmaooo produced it.
Alright, so now here you can just see the difference in color and consistency. As you watch, it starts to whip real good into like a mousse like texture. I'm still learning how to edit, y'all, so I literally whipped this on cam for like 4 minutes. So this is like literally the whole video, and I just sped it up for you guys. I wouldn't do you guys that dirty to play the whole thing in regular speed. So yeah, I just sped it up for you guys. So So this is where you guys can see the change. Like, this mixture looks like it's bleaching. It went to full out dark skin to light skin, team brown skin. But yeah, y'all can see that. Alright, so this is just the end of this section here. If it looks like this, you did it right. I just went ahead and grabbed my cup of ice and my half and half cream. I just poured the rest of whatever was left into the glass. And then I grabbed my spoon and I just plopped whatever right in there. Whatever amount that is. It does make one glass. I couldn't make two out of it, but it's a good amount for one serving. You can add more cream or milk, whatever you decide. Alright, another honest thing, I was way too hungry belly to even take a picture of the after, what it looked like, but I did go ahead and stir it on cam for you guys. That's what it looked like. It's not no pretty thing, but it tastes amazing. I hope you guys liked the video, enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, love you guys.